what is the life like of an affiliate who is promoting other people's products online, for example, on MaxWeb or ClickBank. Now, I'm trying to share this with you, and the reason why I'm doing this, why I'm making these videos when I'm traveling around the world and posting them on YouTube, is to actually show you what is possible if you take action with affiliate marketing and have someone who will guide you through step by step along the way, right? So you can have all these fun, crazy results, but what you only need is, for example, as you can see here, laptop, right? And Wi-Fi connection. That's all. And someone who is going to guide you through step by step along the way to be able to have these kind of results, right? Because let's be honest, whatever you do, you need to have some coach, a mentor, someone who is going to help you through step by step along the way and give you the resources, the methods, the strategies, and then tell you, look man, if you go this way, you'll be able to do it much more faster, much more quicker, results are going to be much more better, you will lose less time, and you need to invest less money because you will not be stubborn and or stupid to lose lots of money but just doing nothing, but by not having someone who actually can help you and guide you, hand holding you along the way. So what is actually my secret, my strategy over here with ClickBank affiliate marketing, promoting MaxWeb products, weight loss supplements as an affiliate, is if you want to have this kind of crazy lifestyle, as you can see over here right behind me, I'm always sharing when I'm traveling all around the world. Why? And the reason why is because I want to show what is possible if you take this seriously. If you really want to have results and make $500 to $1,000 per day working from home or anywhere in the world. So basically freedom location for you and your family, right? So as you're watching this video, and if you want to get results, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and after watching, below in the description are going to be links to my social media accounts where you can reach out to me, ask me any questions you want, but only if you're serious, if you have minimum $1,000 to $5,000 to actually invest in yourself to get up and running with ClickBank affiliate marketing online business.